In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your storefront header fast and easy. So if you've been wanting to give your website a fresh look or just streamline your site's appearance, you're in the right place. We'll go through everything step by step to ensure you feel confident making these changes. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your WordPress site, where all your management needs begin. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Find and click on Appearance. This section is the heart of changing how your website looks and feels without altering the core functionality. Selecting Appearance will drop down a range of options for you. Next, you're going to click on Customize. What we're doing here is pretty straightforward. By clicking Customize, you're essentially entering a live preview area. This allows you to see changes in real time as you make them, a fantastic feature as it helps you judge immediately how your changes affect the site's look. Once you're inside, keep an eye out for the header section and give that a click. This is where the real magic happens. In this header customization area, you will find several options that allow you to tweak your site's header exactly to your liking. You can start by uploading or changing your current logo. If your business has undergone rebranding or you've just designed a fresh new logo, this is the place to update it. Simply click to upload the new image and adjust its positioning if needed. But that's not all. You can also adjust the site title and tagline here. It's a great way to ensure visitors recognize your brand and understand your site's purpose the moment they land on your page. Now, let's add some color. You'll have the option to change the background color of your header. This can be an effective way to either make your site's header blend subtly in the background or pop with bold, bright colors that align with your brand's identity. If you're not feeling color changes, another option is adding a header image. This can be particularly eye-catching and pulls double duty in making a strong visual statement, as well as setting the tone or theme for your entire site. Once you've finished making your adjustments, the final step is to click Publish. This is like hitting the Save button, but for your entire website's aesthetic. By clicking Publish, all the changes you've previewed will go live. Make sure everything looks exactly how you envisioned, because once you hit that button, what you've set and styled becomes official on your site. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your storefront header fast and easy. Your website is now more aligned with your brand and ready to wow visitors. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.